Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, I'll start another exercise from mensuration. Okay, that is exercise 16.3. This exercise deals with circumference and area of circle. Okay, circumference and area of circle. So first of all, I'll give you the formula for circumference and area of circle. In circle, this thing I had given you in first class also, this introduction class of this mensuration. Okay, circle will be somewhat like this, and center, this is the center. Okay, we mark center usually by the letter O, and the distance from center to this circumference, this the boundary is called circumference. Okay, center to this circumference, this is called radius, radius, radius. Center to circumference, anywhere you draw it, here, upward, this side, anywhere. Center to circumference, the length of circumference, the distance between center and circumference of circle is called radius. Okay, and diameter means the length or the line joining the center and the circumference. This one, this is the diameter. Center, this is diameter. Okay, D-I-A-M-E-T-R, diameter. A, let it be B, and let it be C. Here radius is denoted by R. Okay, so here OA is equals to radius and BC is equals to diameter. And diameter will be, here to here is radius and here to here is radius, so double of radius. Diameter is always equals to double of radius, 2 into R. Okay, so this is circle, the boundary outer part is called circumference. Area of circle formula. Okay, this is formula number 1. Area, area of circle, 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 is pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7, or in decimal we write 3.14 in decimal. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 37 4s are 28. Okay, so approximate value we write 3.14. Area is this. Number 2, perimeter, 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 or circumference, Circumference, circumference is given by 2 pi r. This formula, 2 pi r. R is radius. Okay, radius, it is denoted by R. And number 3, diameter, Diameter, diameter is equals to 2 into R. R is radius. R means radius. I have already marked here. Okay, with these 3 formulas, let's proceed with the questions. Okay, first question, exercise 16.3. It is in page number 378. Okay, ML Agrawal, book ML Agrawal, page number 378. Question number 1 is find the length of the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. So given diameter, 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 let's denote by small d. Okay, is question mark. Find the length of diameter of circle whose circumference is 44 centimeters. Circumference, CIRCUMFERENC, circumference is 44 centimeters. It is given. Okay, now let's put the formula for circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r is equals to 44. Let's not write the unit right now. Okay, formula for circumference is 2 pi r. This I give you. Circumference is also known as perimeter. Okay, instead of this circumference I have replaced by formula. So 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into r is equals to 44, because value of pi is 22 upon 7. See, because means this is because, okay, BECAUS, because, and this is therefore, THEREFORE, therefore. Don't make this symbol out here, okay? This is because is this. Put 2 dots, and below this you put 1 dot, because, okay? Now 2 into 22 is 44 r by 7. 44 into r is 44 r by 7 is equals to 44, divided by, below this is 1. Now you do the cross multiplication. 1 into 44 r. 44 r is equals to 7 into 44. So r will be equals to 7 into 44 divided by this 44 comes down, isn't it? These things you know, you have the idea. So 44 ones are 44. So radius we got 7. It implies radius is equals to 7 centimeter, because unit was centimeter. Okay, so radius is 7 centimeter. Therefore, our question is to find the diameter. Therefore, diameter, diameter, diameter is equals to 2 into r, 2 into radius. This formula I gave you just before this. So 2 into 7, that is 2 7s are 14, and unit will be centimeter. This is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to solve. Now let's move on to another question. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2. Find the radius and the area of a circle if its circumference is 18 pi centimeter. So given radius r, you have to find the radius and the area. Okay, area also we have to find. Area also we have to find. Area is also question mark. Find the radius and area of a circle whose circumference is 18 pi centimeter. Circumference, CIRCUMFERENC. Circumference is 18 pi centimeter. 18 pi centimeter. So use the formula for circumference like we did just before this. तो क्या होगा, circumference है 2 pi r is equals to 18 pi. No need to write this unit right now. Okay, so pi and pi gets cancelled. You can cancel out here only. 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18. So radius we have got r is equals to 9 centimeter. Radius we got 9 centimeter. Area is equals to pi r square. I have given this formula, isn't it? So pi means 22 upon 7 into radius is 9 square. Okay, radius we have got 9. So 22 into 9 square is 81 divided by 7. So 22 ones are 22, 2 is left. 22 8s are 8 2 is 16, 1 is 8. 96 plus 2, 98. Okay, 98 divided by 7. Let me multiply once again. 22. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 8 6. Okay, 6 7 8 6 7 6 7 1 1 7 8 2. Sorry, 1 7 8 2. 1 7 82 divided by 7. So you divide it. Okay, 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. How much is left? We divide. Okay, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 56 is 3 is left 38, 7 5s are 35, 32, 3 is left 32, 7 4s are 28, 4 is left, so point 40, 7 5s are 35, 35, 5 is left 50, 7 7s are 49 and 1 is left and so on. Okay, so 254.57 centimeter square. Area, unit of area is you have to put square. Centimeter is already given, so you have to put square. Okay, therefore radius, radius, radius is equals to 9 centimeter and area, area is equals to 254.57 centimeter square. This is the approximate answer. Okay, otherwise you can leave out here, or you can write in mixed fraction also, no problem. Okay, now let's move on to another question. Question number 3. Question number 3. 3 is find the perimeter of semicircular plate of radius 3.85 centimeter. So given there is a semicircular plate. Semicircle means half of circle. Okay, so this is your circle. Half of circle means this is the center. This upper part you erase it. This becomes semicircle. This is the semicircle. This is center. Okay. So find the perimeter of semicircular plate of radius. Okay, given radius radius. Radius is equals to radius. It is denoted by r. R is equals to 3.85 centimeter. 3.85 centimeter. Here to here is 3.85. Here to here 3.85 centimeter. You have to find perimeter. Perimeter means total circumference. Okay, if you start from here, this length plus this length plus this length. Okay, so perimeter of semicircle, CIRCLE, circle. This formula I forgot to give you. Okay, this will be equals to 2 into r. This is radius, and this is also radius. So 2 into radius. 2 radius plus 2 pi r. Pi r. 2 radius plus pi r, because for a circle, circumference is given by 2 pi r. Circumference means this upper, this semicircle plus this lower semicircle. Okay, so upper semicircle is pi r and lower semicircle is this lower one is pi r. And if you add this to pi r plus pi r, it gives 2 pi r. In our case only this lower part is there, so this is pi r. Length of this here to here is pi r. Okay, so total circumference of semicircle will be r plus r, 2r plus pi r. So put the value. 2 into radius is how much? 3.85 plus pi means you put in fraction. Okay, 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.85. This you remember as formula. Okay, this is your formula. Memorize this as formula. So let's do the multiplication. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 is left, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Let me check once again. 2 5s are 10, 1 is carried over, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 is left, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 plus 7 7 0 7 5 are 35. Okay, you can cancel. 7 1 are 7 0 are 0. You cannot cancel this 3. Okay, so 38. 7 5 are 35. 7 5 are 35. 3 is left, 35. Again 7 5 are 35. 0.55. 22. What is that? 22 into 0.55. So 7.70 plus, you multiply this 22 into 0.55. 22 5s are 22 into 55 will be how much? 55 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 11. What's the 10, 2 5s are 10, 11. 0 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1. Point will be here. It will be 12.10 because decimal is after before 2 digits. Okay, 12.10. 12.10. Add that one into 0.1, 0.55. Divided by 7. So if you add this, 12.10 divided by 7.70 will be equals to how much? 0, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7, 8, 9, 1, 19.80. 19.80 centimeter. Perimeter of semicircle is this. Okay, so remember this formula. Perimeter of semicircle is 2r plus pi r. Okay, now let's move on to another question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is, okay, 144 centimeters square. Area is given, you have to find the radius and circumference. Okay, so given radius, R-A-D-I-U-S, radius R is question mark. Radius R is question mark. Before this exercise, mensuration, whatever I teach you right now, okay, whatever I'm teaching you right now, these questions are very very important for your examination. Okay, so do it properly and practice it properly. You'll get similar type of questions in your exam. Radius is question mark. Next, radius and circumference of circle. Okay, circumference also you have to find. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C. Circumference is also question mark. Find the radius and circumference of a circle whose area is, okay, area is given. Area is 144 pi centimeter square. This is given to you. Okay, this is given. Area is this much. This is given. So use the formula for area. Area of circle is pi r square is equals to 144 pi. Let's not write the unit. Okay, pi gets cancelled. From here, r square is equals to 144. Radius square is equals to 144. So r square 144 means square of 12. 12 into, because 144 is equals to 12 into 12. That is 12 square. So square and square you can cancel this one. And we got radius is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, radius we have got. Now next we have to find circumference. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C. Circumference is question mark, and formula for circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 12. So multiplied, this 2 into 22 is 44 into 12 divided by 7. We multiplied, 12 4s are 48. 4 is left, 12 4s are 48 plus 4 is 52 divided by 7. So you divide it and write the answer in centimeter square. Okay. So this is how you have to do. This is how we have to do. Okay, after this you write down the conclusion. Therefore radius is equals to 12 centimeter and circumference is equals to whatever you get out here, you write that. Okay, along with this unit centimeter square. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is a sheet is 11 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. So there is a sheet like this. This is 11 centimeter and 2 centimeter wide. Length is 11 centimeter and breadth is, this is wide is, width is 2 centimeter. Okay. Circular pieces of 0.5 centimeter in diameter are cut from it. So from here, circular pieces of diameter here to here is 0.5. This length 0.5 centimeter are cut. Okay. To prepare disc. Okay. Calculate the number of discs that can be prepared. How many discs you can get? This type circular pieces you can get, that you have to calculate. Okay. So it will be equals to. So okay, solution given for rectangle, for RECTA and rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay, for rectangle, length is equals to 11 centimeter, breadth BREDTH, breadth is equals to BREDTH, breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. This is given. Now you have to make small box like this. One, another circle will fit here, another will fit here, and another will also fit here. 2 centimeter means 2 centimeter means divided by 0.5. 2 centimeter 0.5 will be 2 into 10 divided by 5. So 5 to 10, 4. Along this you can get 4 circles. Okay, and this side from here to here, how many circles you can get? So 11 divided by, each circle is of length, this diameter 0.5. So 11 into 10, if you remove the point, divided by 5. Okay, when you remove the point from here, it goes up, 10 goes up, so 5 2s are 10, so 11 2s are 22. Along the length you get 22 circles, and along the breadth you get 4 circles. So total number of circles will be 4 into 22, that is 88. Okay. Number of CIRCLS circles, that is this, along the length along the LENGTH length, along the length is equals to length divided by diameter of circle. Okay, length is 11 divided by diameter is 0.5. So 11 divided by 5, if you remove the point, 10 goes up here, 5 2s are 10, so 11 2s are 22. Next, number of, copy up to this. Okay, after this, number of circular discs along the width. Along the width means breadth, BREADTH, breadth is equals to breadth, BREADTH, breadth divided by diameter. breadth is 2 divided by diameter is 0.5. So 2 divided by 5, and if you remove the point from denominator, 10 goes up because this point decimal is in 10th place. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, so 2 2s are 4. After this, you copy up to this, okay, and then you write it. Therefore, total number of circular disc. Therefore, total number of circular disc. TOTAL, total number of circular disc is equals to, along the length we had 22 and along the breadth we had 4. So 22 into 4 is 88. Answer 88 pieces. Okay, this is how you have to solve. So this much for today's class. Remaining questions I'll be teaching you in the next class. Okay, so find similar type of questions from the example section and from exercise section also, and then you try to solve it. Okay, because this exercise is very important for your exam. Thank you. This much for today's class.